been more than a decade since Honda introduced the CB500X, a motorcycle that quietly built a reputation for being one of the most dependable, approachable, and versatile mid-weight adventure bikes on the planet. Now, for 2026, that same spirit returns under a new name and with a groundbreaking upgrade. This is the 2026 Honda NX500 E-Clutch, the next generation of Honda's new Xover, designed to make every ride smoother, smarter, and more connected than ever before. The name NX itself has a history within Honda's lineup. It traces back to the late 1980s, when the NX650 Dominator first brought rugged dual sport style to everyday riders. The new NX500 carries that DNA forward, blending adventure-ready stance, everyday usability, and the advanced engineering Honda is famous for. At first glance, the NX500 looks ready for anything. It's compact, athletic, and purposeful, a bike that feels equally at home slicing through city streets as it does carving up a gravel road. But look closer, and you'll see what makes this new model truly special: Honda's innovative E-Clutch technology, a system that redefines how riders interact with the motorcycle. Unlike a traditional clutch, the E-Clutch doesn't require you to pull a lever every time you shift gears. The moment you touch the gear lever, sensors activate a fully electronic clutch control system, smoothly disengaging and re-engaging power faster than any human hand could. From takeoff to full stop, you can ride without ever using the lever, and yet, if you want manual control, it's always there, ready when you are. It's seamless, it's smart, and it transforms the riding experience, making the NX500 ideal for beginners and seasoned riders alike. On city streets, it takes the stress out of stop-and-go traffic. On long rides, it reduces fatigue. And off-road, it gives you more precise control of traction and balance, allowing your focus to stay where it matters most, on the trail ahead. Powering this intelligent machine is Honda's proven 471cc parallel twin engine, producing 47 horsepower and 43 Newton-meters of torque. It's a two-license friendly in Europe, yet surprisingly lively, with the kind of flexibility that lets you cruise effortlessly at low RPM or push hard through mountain passes. The engine is paired with Honda's Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) system, offering 5 levels of traction assistance that can even be switched off for complete control in challenging terrain. The chassis has been refined for stability and comfort. Up front, you'll find 41mm Showa SFF BPUSD forks, giving 150mm of travel for precise damping and comfort, while the ProLink rear suspension offers 190mm of travel for a smooth, planted ride. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs and 2-piston calipers, delivering confident stopping power, while a single rear disc manages the back end. All of it combines to make the NX500 feel balanced, predictable, and ready for any road or no road at all. The design follows a bold, rally-inspired silhouette with a tall stance, aerodynamic fairing, and a large windscreen that channels airflow away from the rider for long-distance comfort. Wide handlebars give maximum leverage, and a 17.7-liter fuel tank provides plenty of range for adventure travel. The bike's ergonomics are carefully tuned, upright, natural, and relaxed. So whether you're commuting to work or exploring new horizons, the NX500 keeps you comfortable hour after hour. Inside the cockpit, modern technology takes center stage. A 5-inch full-color TFT display delivers crisp, customizable information, and it's fully integrated with Honda RoadSync, so you can control navigation, calls, and music directly from your handlebar toggle. The new backlit 4-way switch is ergonomic and intuitive, even with gloves on, and the full LED lighting system ensures maximum visibility in all conditions. And then there's the design, timeless Honda adventure styling, with muscular lines and rugged detailing that hint at durability and purpose. The NX500 comes in 3 striking colors: Ross White Tricolor, Matte Ballistic Black Metallic, and Pearl Deep Mud Gray, each one perfectly capturing the dual personality of the bike: tough and adventurous, yet refined and modern. Since 2013, Honda's Midweight platform has evolved through every generation, gaining better suspension, lighter components, sharper design, and more advanced electronics. And now, with the 2026 NX500 E-Clutch, Honda has reached a new milestone. This isn't just an update. It's a transformation. A statement that technology doesn't have to make motorcycles complicated. It can make them more enjoyable, more intuitive, and more human. For riders who crave versatility, this bike is the ultimate expression of go anywhere. City commuter, weekend tourer, gravel explorer. The NX500 E-Clutch does it all, with less effort and more style. So whether you're just starting your journey or you've been riding for decades, this bike is an invitation to rediscover what riding can feel like: effortless, confident, and free. Because with Honda's E-Clutch, the adventure truly begins where simplicity meets innovation. This is the 2026 Honda NX500 E-Clutch. The smarter adventure begins here.